Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of a mock that I made of an underwater cave. As you can see, here's the entrance, and inside the underwater cave is a lot of caverns that I made. And the Lego pieces that I'm using for this mock is the Lego Classic from the 1980s to early 1990s. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.